Kyle. This is Ryan with TrendLizard.com, getting onto your second ticker that you had sent me. PDS, Precision Drilling Corporation. It was incepted back in 1996, and over the course of its entire lifespan, it's pretty hard to find a move that is super clearly a trendy move. For one, it's gone back and forth, just massive swings. I mean, if you look at the move off the 1990 low, it's probably around $1 up to about 27. Again, you don't really care as a trader if this doesn't turn into a trendy move. If you bought it at $1, sold it around 26, 27, you're pretty happy regardless. But from an Elliott wave standpoint, it just doesn't really have that super clear 5-wave trendy move that we want really at any point in its lifespan. Everything looks like a 3-wave move, and 3-wave moves by Elliott wave standards are counter trend moves. So again, it's kind of hard to get real excited or stoked about this guy just when it's gone sideways for so long. So the most bullish possibility that I can see, or at least something that we can quantify to make this a good tradable opportunity, is hoping that basically this corrective or counter trend move that started off the 2009 low isn't over yet, and that the 2016 low was the start of a move back towards 14.15. Obviously, that would be a great move. That would be a triple right there, so that would be a huge deal. So that's the hope, basically, if you're looking to buy it, is that that's what's going on, that this is just a counter trend move off the 2009 move within an even larger counter trend move, and that it's going to continue up from here. So let's zoom in a little bit. A big part of confirming that this could still be part of a larger counter trend move and therefore a decent buying opportunity is looking at this decline off the 2014 high and concluding that it itself is a counter trend move and not a trendy move. I think it's probably a counter trend move. It looks like a 3-wave move. It's not super clear. Again, it's hard to get super excited about it just because everything is counter trendy. It would take a move above 950, which again is a mile away, just like the last stock you sent me, before we can prove with any certainty that this is in fact a counter trend move and that a larger recovery is forming here. So that's not going to help you very much. Basically, it all comes down to, is this move off the 2016 low a trendy move? Can we count on it to continue higher from here? So let's zoom in on this move off the 2016 low. It does look like it could absolutely be a trendy move. You can see it's a 5-wave. It looks like a 5-wave move off the February low. Wave 4 looks pretty big relative to wave 2, but it still works. This can be a 5-wave move. So it's obviously in a larger pullback off of June's high. And this is the real test. I mean, this is what's really going to tell us whether this is a buying opportunity or not. If this counter trend pullback off of June's high proves to be a counter trend move and it turns back up, then it can be a buying opportunity. If it doesn't, shouldn't be owned, shouldn't even consider owning it. So we'll see what happens here. I mean, this pullback could last for a while, but if it moves above 5.4 at any point in time, this is going to look like a counter trend move. It becomes a buying opportunity at that point. So if you're interested in buying PDS, I would very much recommend waiting until it moves above $5.40, which granted is a long ways away, but I think you need to gain some confidence that this is in fact the start of a much larger advance, and therefore it becomes a buying opportunity from there. So I personally wouldn't own it until it's trading above that level, but once it does, it would be a legit buying opportunity at that time, and then you can trail the stop from there. You can start with your stop at about 450 and trail it up from there as the move continues. So and I'd be more than happy to help you out and assist you with how you might want to trade it once it moves up above 540. So that's what we're looking at. That was number 2. I've got one more for you in just a minute, and just look for that one shortly. Thanks.